Welcome back. So from previous lesson, we give the definition of a linear equation and did some examples on how to solve linear equations involving one variable. So in this lesson, we give more examples on how to solve linear equations involving one variable. Let's begin. So we are solving simple linear equations. This is lesson number 2. So we go straight to first example. So solve the equation (3 over x minus 2 equals to 4 over 3x plus 4. To solve such an equation, we first cross multiply to remove fractions into the equation. So we'll have 3 into 3x plus 4 equals to 4 into x minus 2. Then we have 9x plus 12 equals to 4x minus 8. And then collect like terms. 9x minus 4x equals to 9 minus 8 minus 12. So 5x equals to minus 20, which means to get x, you divide through by 5. And if you divide minus 20 by 5, you get minus 4. So x equals to minus 4 is the solution. Number 2, solve the equation x over 3 minus 4x plus 1 divided by 2 equals to x minus 5 over 6. To solve this, find the LCM of the denominators, and this can be written as x over 1. So LCM of 3, 2, 1, and 6, actually, this is 6. So once we have the LCM, we multiply each term by the LCM. So we'll have x over 3 multiplied by the LCM. It's always advisable to put the LCM on the left-hand side so that you don't interfere with the signs. So minus 6 into 4x plus 1 over 2 equals to 6 times x minus 6 into 5 over 6. So we'll have 6 and 3, 6, 1, 6, 2, 3, 1, 6, 6 cancels out. So we'll have 2x minus 3 into 4x plus 1 equals to 6x minus 5, which implies we open the bracket, so minus 12x minus times plus is minus 6x minus 5. So this will give us minus 10x minus 3 equals to 6x minus 5. So which means minus 10x. So we collect like terms, so we bring 6 to the left-hand side, so it will be minus 5 plus 3. Minus 10x minus 6x gives us minus 16x equals to minus 2. And for us to get x, we divide both sides by minus 16. So therefore, x is 1/8. Next problem. Solve for x given that 6x plus 7 plus 5x minus 2 plus 4x minus 1 equals to 36 plus 7x. So here we just collect like terms and solve for x. So we'll have 6x and then plus 5x and then plus 4x, then plus 7 minus 2 minus 1 equals to 36 plus 7x. 6x plus 5x plus 4x will give us 15x plus 7 minus 2 is minus positive 5 minus 1 is 4. So I have 15x minus 7x equals to 36 minus 4. So 8x equals to 32. And this means to get x, we divide through by 8. So which means x equals to 4. Next question. We have to solve for x. Given 3x over 5 plus 3/4 plus 5 equals to 1/20 minus 3x over 2. So the best way is to find the LCM of the denominators. So this can be put over 1. So LCM of 5, 4, 1, 20, and 2 clearly is 20. So multiply each term by 20. So we'll have 20 3x over 5 plus 20 3/4 plus 20 5/1 equals to 20 1/20 minus 20 3x over 2. Then remove the denominators. So 1, 4, 1, 5, this 20, 1, 1, 1, 10. So we'll have 4 times 3x, which is 12x. 5 times 3 is 15. 20 by 5 is 100. 1 by 1 is 1. Then 10 times 3x is 30x. So we'll have 12x plus 115 equals to 1 minus 30x. Then collect like terms. 12x plus 30x equals to 1 minus 115. So which will give us 42x equals to minus 114. And so x will be minus 114 divided by 42, which gives us minus 114 divided by 42 minus 19 over 7. So let's confirm that answer. So we'll have 3 over 5 times minus 19 over 7 plus 3 over 4 plus 5. We should check whether it is 1 over 20 minus 3 over 2 times minus 19 over 7. So 3 over 5 times minus 19 over 7, we get minus 57 over 35 plus 3 over 4 plus 5, we get 23 over 4. We check whether this is the same as 1 over 20 minus, so 3 over 2 times minus 19 over 7. Now have plus 57 over 14. Now minus 57 over 35 plus 23 over 4 gives you 577 over 140. And then 1 over 20 plus 57 over 14 gives you 577 over 140. So indeed, the answer we have is the true one, minus 19 over 7. And then question 5. We have solve for x given (4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x equals to 6 over x minus 5. So what we do here, we put every side over same denominator. So our left-hand side will be x into x minus 3. So x minus 3 into this value will be x, so I'll have 4x plus x into this value is x minus 3, so 2 into x minus 3. This would give us 6 over x minus 5. So this will be 4x plus 2x minus 3 over x squared minus 3x equals to 6 over x minus 5. Then we'll have 6x minus 3 over x squared minus 3x equals to 6 over x minus 5. Then cross multiply, so I have 6x minus 3 times x minus 5 equals to 6 into x squared minus 3x. So we'll have 6x into x minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 5 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. Opening brackets will have 6x squared minus 30x minus 3x minus minus is plus 15 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. So we'll have 6x squared minus 33x plus 15 equals to 6x squared minus 18x. Now, 6x squared is on both sides and with the same sign, so it cancels out. So canceling out this, and this will have minus 33x plus 15 equals to minus 18x. And collecting like terms will have minus 18x plus 33x equals to 15, which means minus 18 plus 33 is 15x equals to 15. So which means x equals to 1. So let's confirm whether that is the correct answer. So I'll have 4 over 1 minus 3 plus 2 over 1. We check whether it's the same as 6 over 1 minus 5. So this will be 4 over minus 2 plus 2 over 1, 6 over minus 4. So we have minus 2 plus 2. Is it the same as minus 3 over 2? So obviously no. So therefore that tells you that the answer we have actually is not the correct answer. So go and recheck the steps on how we are getting the values. So the first step, so once you get that these two are not agreeing, that's actually good to confirm your answers. Go back to your steps and check one by one. So step 1 was to multiply. So you have x minus 3x. So LCM is x times x minus 3. So 4 into the x minus 3 into this is x. So 4 times x is 4x. So that's fine. And then we have 2 into x minus 3. And then we have 6 over x minus 5. So this step was correctly done. And then here we have 4x plus 2x. And you see 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, not minus 3. So the problem was here. So this should be 6, not minus 3. And you see that's what has made us to get a wrong value. So that's why it is advisable, whenever you are solving such kind of equations, confirm the answer before you go to the next question to be sure that what you have is a solution. So this was the mistake. 2x minus 6, not minus 3. So therefore, it will be 6x minus 6. So this will be 6. And then we'll have 6x, this is 6. And then we'll have, this is 6. And so we'll have minus 6. And then minus 6 times minus 5 is positive 30. So that will give us positive 30, not 15. So this should be 30. And then, so this is 30. So 6x squared and 6x squared cancels out. So this is 30. And at this point, remember we have 6x minus 6, and then multiplied by x minus 5. So we have minus 6 minus 30. And then, So minus 30x minus 6x is not going to give us minus 33, but it's going to be minus 36. So this is 6. So this is 6. And so we'll have minus 18x plus 36 is going to be positive 18x equals to 30. And so 18x equals to 30 implies we divide both sides by 18. So 30 over 18, which gives us x equals to 30 over 18. And when you work out 30 over 18, you get the answer to be 5 over 3. And so now we can check with x equals to 5 over 3. The problem at hand was we were solving for, so quick check, 4 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x equals to 6 over x minus 5. So we have gotten the answer to be 5 over 3. So 4 over 5 over 3 minus 3 plus 2 over 5 over 3. We check whether it's 6 over 5 over 3 minus 5. Now 5 over 3 minus 3 gives us minus 4 over 3. So we'll have 4 over minus 4 over 3 plus 2 divided by 5 over 3 gives you 6 over 5. So we check whether this is the same as 6 over. So 5 over 3 minus 5 is minus 10 over 3. Now 4 divided by minus 4 over 3, you get minus 3 plus 6 over 5. We check whether this is the same as 6 divided by minus 10 over 3. And minus 3 plus 6 over 5 gives you minus 9 over 5. And 6 divided by minus 10 over 3 gives you minus 9 over 5. So you see the two sides are balancing. So therefore, x must be 5 over 3. So that is why it is always advisable when you're solving linear equations, the answer you get, try to confirm to be sure that what you're solving is a correct solution. You see, without checking the solution, we would have wrongly obtained x to be 1, which is not a solution. So checking is very key. Next question, if we have to solve the equation two square root of x equals to 8. So solution for this, so we have first divide through by 2, so we have square root of x equals to 8 over 2, which means square root of x equals to 4. And to remove square root, square both sides. So square, so which means x equals to 16. Next question, solve square root of x plus 3 over square root of x equals to 2. Now, the best way is to cross multiply. So we'll have root x plus 3 equals to 2 root x. And then collect like terms. So 2 root x minus root x equals to 3. So 2 root x minus root x is just root x, which will give us 3. And to get x, we square both sides. So which means x equals to 9. And then another equation is to solve the equation x plus 2 over 2 minus x plus 5 divided by 3 equals to 2x minus 5 divided by 4 plus x plus 3 over 6. So the best way is to get the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 2, 3, 4, and 6 actually is 12. And the ones you have the LCM, multiply by each term and put it on the left-hand side so that you don't mix the sign. So I'll have 12 into x plus 2 over 2 minus 12 into x plus 5 over 3 equals to 12, 2x minus 5 over 4 plus 12, x plus 3 over 6. And then, so 1, this is 6, 1, this is 4, 1, this is 3, 1, this is 2. So we'll have 6 into x plus 2 minus 4 into x plus 5, 3 into 2x minus 5 plus 2 into x plus 3. Then open the brackets. To open the brackets, we'll have 6x plus 12 minus 4x minus 20 equals to 6x minus 15 plus 2x plus 6. So 6x minus 4x plus 12 minus 20 equals to 6x plus 2x minus 15 plus 6. 6x minus 4x is 2x. 12 minus 20 is minus 8. This will be 8x minus 15 plus 6 is minus 9. So 2x minus 8x equals to minus 9 plus 8. This will give us minus 6x equals to minus 1. So which means x will be minus 1 over minus 6, which means x equals to 1 over 6. And you can always confirm that solution before you go to the next question so that you just be sure that the two sides are balancing by x equals to 1 over 6. So quick check. So we had x plus 2, so I have 1 over 6 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 1 over 6 plus 5 over 3. We check whether is the same as 2 times 1 over 6 minus 5 divided by 4 plus 1 over 6 plus 3 divided by 6. Now 1 over 6 plus 2 gives you 13 over 6. So divided by 2 minus 1 over 6 plus 5, we get 31 over 6 is this the same as? So 2 by 1 over 6 is 2 over 6 minus 5, we get minus 14 over 3 over 4 plus 1 over 6 plus 3, we get 19 over 6 divided by 6. Then 13 over 6 divided by 2, we get 13 over 12 minus 31 over 6 divide 2 gives you 31 over 12 minus 14 over 3 divide 4 gives minus 7 over 6, 19 over 6 divide 6 gives 19 over 36. So when we add to minus 7 over 6, right-hand side gives us minus 23 over 36. And then here we had, so 13 over 6 divided by 2. So that's 13 over 12 minus 31 over 12. So this was 2 times 1 over 6. So we have 2 times 1 over 6. Just confirm this value here. Minus 5 is minus 14 over 3, that's fine. So then 1 over 6 plus 2 divided by 2, 13, that's fine. So 1 over 6 plus 5 divide 3. Yeah, so this will be 31 over 18, not 12. Also, we have 1 over 6 plus 5. And then, so that will give us 31 over 6. So when you divide by 3, this one should be 18, not 12. So that now 13 over 12 minus 31 over 18 gives you minus 23 over 36. You see the same answer is what we are getting on the right-hand side. So therefore, the correct answer is x equals to 1 over 6. So it's always good to check the answer so that you are sure what you have as the unknown value is a true answer to the question. Thank you.